Okay guys, now I'll show you how to put in the battery into the Nikkormat EL series and how to take it out as well. So like here there's a knob for the mirror to be raised. So once you raise the mirror, you see here, actually it's locked, so you need to push it down in this direction and push it up. So like go left and go up. So you put your hand, go down and go up. See, it opens. Then you push it a little bit, not too hard, push it a little bit. You see there's a compartment where the thing goes into. See, it's a compartment. So that's where you put the battery. So the battery, you face it in the correct direction and put it in. And then you close. After that, put the mirror back down and yeah, it works. So to take out the battery, you raise it up again, push it in, push it up, and just flip. And that's how you get the battery out. So yeah, if you find this really helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.